Hi friends, welcome to my kitchen. I'm Leslie and today we're making dinner. Alright, so I have my pans out. I need my muffin pan. We're going to have pork chops, rice, corn, muffins, my boy's favorite. So, I need to rinse off my chops and prepare them. So let me get all my ingredients. Okay. This and this. So in the dry ingredients, I have House Hog Tree chicken seasoning. Put it on anything I fry because I love it. And then I've added to it just plain panko. And I'm going to add my own spices. The two of these together, after you dip it in the egg, the milk, and the lemon juice, you coat it in here and you fry it up. I mean, it'll make you smack your baby. Okay? That's good. That's good stuff. So, I gotta put some spices in there. Okay, we start off with just a little bit of garlic powder. Add a sprinkling of that in there. We add a little bit of that paprika. Sprinkle a little bit of that in there. Add a little bit of minced onion, because I don't like real onions. It's probably textures. These are small enough we can't taste them. Put a little bit of that in there. We can taste the flavor, but not that crunch that you get with the real onion. We can't do that. No. And then we add Italian seasoning. Okay? Okay. And a little bit. I'm a little generous with this, because it makes it taste so good. Mix that all up. Get happy about it. Then I'm going to mix what I have in here. 1 egg, a little bit of milk, and some lemon juice. Rinse your pork chop, whatever you want to do with it. Place it down in the milk mixture. Coat both sides. Real nice like. Put it down in that. Push some up onto the sides, because it all needs that flavor now. Okay. Don't like the feeling of it on my fingers, so we have to rinse those quite often. But then I just get a plate down. Use this one. We'll load this one. We're going to turn on the water for the rice, and we need to add more corn to that water because we didn't have enough. What were we thinking? We don't know. Okay, you have a nice, crunchy, crispy, yummy. Okay. So then we take the next one. And I get the center cut, thin, boneless. I usually get them super thin. These are okay. I used to not ever eat anything this thick. It's okay, Les. You can eat it. Real weird about my food. It's a problem. I probably gave away 5 pounds of it one time because I saw how thick they were and I was like, oh no, cannot. So, gave it to someone in need. I was like, I'm a picky person. I shouldn't be about food. I should be thankful. but I'm weird. So we'll give it to someone in need, and that's what we do. Okay? All right, there's two. Got two more to go. So I'll have one tonight with corn and rice and a chocolate chip muffin. And then tomorrow, rinse and repeat. And my son will probably eat two of them tonight because he's a growing boy. He likes to eat. So great. So great. Okay, one more. They're still a little frozen, but it's okay. They'll defrost when they're frying. Everything's fine. Tastes just fine. Everything is just fine. Scoop that around. Anyway. Looks like I could have used a little bit more panko. That's all right. We got enough. We got enough to make a statement. I'm wondering if any of y'all still work. Do you still go to an office and work? Do you have people at your job that they're not really there to work? I mean, they're supposed to be, but they're not. Yeah, that's just something I don't deal very well with. And so I had to go off on a couple of people. It was great. And then I said, hey boss, if they come to you, this is what happened. And then my coworker was laughing. She's like, why are you laughing? This is Leslie. Have you not met her? This is how she does. So at least she gets me, and she knows I'm not doing it to be mean or hard. I can't. Stuff needs to get done. When I ask you to do something, you need to do it. And if you don't do it, you better expect me to hunt you down, and it's going to get done. All right, everything's fine. See, just do what you're told. Do what you're told. Okay, thank you. Boss or not, I'm not a boss. But if I ask you to do something, you need to do it. Even though I'm not a boss and you are, I don't care. You need to do it. Okay, thanks. Woo-wee, look at that. We got some hot, hot grease. We need to put some pork chops in that. All right, we're getting some pork chops for you. Hold on, grease. Settle down. Everything is fine. Get up the grease off the floor. Okay. Apparently we have a leak under the sink, and I noticed it a few days ago, and I said, oh yeah, I'll check it out later. I'm gonna have to check it out. But right now we're making dinner. So let's look at this instead. Those are some pretty pork chops right there. And we're making some water for the rice. It's gonna be boiling bad because we don't have time for the other kind. And I need to turn this on so this can cook, but we got sidetracked by the leak. And we're going to turn on the oven and start to preheat that. So we can make these here fabulous muffins. And these will be at 400. So, because I have a convection oven, I put it on at 350. Alright, back to this side. We're going to make the pork chop. These things. How much milk? Half cup dry mix, half cup milk. Alright, we can do that. Mix it up and add it to the baking dish. Changing plans, we're doing real brown rice because I don't have any bags. Bon appetit! P.S. That's what the boy gets to contend with. All of my mess. I'll have to clean the cooktop because he doesn't know how to. I have specific ways that needs to be cleaned. But, yeah. And, at some point, we're going to deal with the leak. But for now, we're just going to eat. Alright, guys. Thanks for joining me. It's a short one. I'm exhausted. I went off on people. That tells me it's time to go to night-night and really early. I'll see you in the morning. Maybe we'll do some crafting. Maybe we'll clean the craft room. Maybe we'll put up fall decorations and bring out Christmas. We don't know, okay? But we're real excited to hang out with you tomorrow. So you come on back now, okay? Alrighty then. Bye-bye.